Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hanging Out with Me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, let's make some lemonade, and I'm going to show you the easiest way you can make some lemonade at home within just about 3 or so minutes. With me here, I have my list of ingredients, and I have some lemons. I have some mint that I've been planting on my window. I have some, and you'll also need a sweetener. And today, I'm going with the honey option. You can also use some sugar or some sugar syrup, depending on what you feel like. And without further ado, let's get started. So today I'm going to show you a very easy way to make some lemonade at home, and I got these lemons of mine trying to go bad on me, and we don't do that here. So I just decided to make some lemons as a way of quickly disposing them, and we are going to peel our lemons and make sure you get rid of this white part, as most of it as you can. Like that. And by the way, I also have another mojito recipe. You can check that out. I'm also going to link it at the end of this video. Then set that aside. Then we are going to chop our lemons into small pieces. So now that this is ready to be used, I'm also going to chop this, but half of it nijazilie what I need. So this is exactly what I need, and we are going to be using a blender in today's recipe. Then we are going to add this in here. As I mentioned, I've been planting this mint of mine on my window, and as you can recall, this is some mint we bought about 2 or so months ago, and I used it to make some mojito. And the stems, I just planted them in some soil and they've been growing. So I'm going to add that in here as well. But if at all you do not have, you can also leave that out. Like that. Then we are also going to go in with our sweetener. I've added about a tablespoon. I'm also going to add another half a tablespoon. So I've added about 1.5 tablespoons of honey. But if at all you do not have honey, as I mentioned, you can always use some sugar syrup or sugar instead. But I wanted honey because we're in the cold season, and also so that it can give my lemonade some little bit of color. Then we are going to add in our water, and for the water, make sure this water that you're going to be using is safe for drinking. Usichote tu maji kwa tap when you make this recipe. Make sure that you're using water safe for drinking. So I'm going to first blend ikiwa kidogo hivyo, then we are going to add some water. Then I'll go in with the rest of the water. Then I'm going to pulse this for about 5 seconds. And our lemonade is ready. Let's sieve this. Then I'm also going to sieve it for the second time with a finer mesh. And that is how you easily mix a lemonade. And let's give this a taste test. Mm. This is amazing. Mm. Mm. So because today was a cold day, I did not add some ice cubes, but on a hot day you can definitely add some ice cubes. You can also use this as a chaser, and it's very good. Mm. And that's definitely it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.